For tomorrow's main course, we recommend preparing this quick and easy beef with pistachio and dried plums sauce. Cut the carrots. Cut the potatoes in circles. Cut up the meat in tiny pieces. Put salt and pepper on the meat. Mix the meat by hand. Put it in a bowl. Add some rosemary and soya sauce, as well as oil in the bowl with the meat. Put the carrots and potatoes to boil in a preheated pan. Add salt in the pan. Add the vinegar in another preheated pan. Cut up the plums in tiny pieces. Boil the cauliflower in the water and vinegar mixture. Start frying the plums and pistachios in another pan. Smash some garlic in the pan with the plums and pistachios. Add some sugar and milk as well. Put the boiled cauliflower in a bowl. Add sour cream to the pan with the frying plums and pistachios. Mix the pan. Start frying the meat in a preheated pan. Take out the boiled carrots and put them in the bowl with the cauliflower. Start frying all of the boiled vegetables in a preheated pan. Add salt and pepper. Once it's done, put the fried vegetables on a plate. Add the meat alongside the vegetables. Put your plums and pistachio sauce on the plate as well. Decorate with some sage leaves, lettuce, and red-hot peppers. The estimated time it took to prepare this dish was 40 minutes. Bon appetit!